Mom's Dinner Club, a website designed to help busy moms and dads get healthy home-cooked meals back on the dinner table where they belong. Family dinner time is not just about nourishing the body, it's about nourishing the soul as well, with quality family time. Visiting and sharing with each other the events of our day, you can learn a lot about what's going on in someone's life over a nice home-cooked meal. And if you happen to have older children and or a helpful spouse, watch the weekly video together. That way everyone can help throughout the week with the meal prep and even the grocery buying. Each bin gives you 4 meal plans. That's 4 nights worth of dinners that you can buy the groceries to make for less than $50. Each bin has a video for the bin as a whole, plus there's a grocery list for each bin, the recipes to make each of the night's meals, plus a video for each night's meals that you can follow along with as you cook. This makes Hot Mom's Dinner Club not only a money saver, but a time saver as well. Plus, it's ideal for all kinds of people with different income levels, with different cooking skills. You could be an experienced cook just looking for some organizational ideas, some new dinner ideas, or you could be a new wife or mom who's never had to cook before. Whatever the case, the provided recipes and videos are easy to follow, and they offer tidbits of information along the way to make it a progressive learning experience. Because of this, it's most advantageous to do the bins in order, although that's not completely necessary. And another helpful hint is to print out the grocery list before you watch the video. That way you can make notations on it when you get to the family preference items and the optional ingredients. Annual membership is only $14.99. This is partially to cover the startup costs and the monthly maintenance, but mainly it's to keep the pop-up advertising off the site, or at least to a minimum. The website is designed to save you time, so it would be pointless if you needed to weed through numerous pop-ups to get to the content. I'm trying to keep the website as easy to navigate and as straightforward as possible. The website is designed to benefit its members, whether it be through saving time, saving money, expanding our culinary knowledge, introducing new ingredients, new cooking skills for ourselves, for our children as well. Teaching them to cook is such a valuable lesson. In addition to the communal aspect, the aspect of the conversation, the sharing of the meal, but also the discipline aspect of it, the nightly ritual, the preparing the meal, the setting the table, the clearing the table, all of this teaches good disciplinary skills. To check out more of the benefits of eating in versus eating out and eating home food, healthy home-cooked meals versus fast food, check out the home food versus fast food video. It's not easy getting dinner on the table every night or even every other night, but it's such a positive family dynamic. I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. I hope it helps you. I hope it helps your family. If it does, please help spread the word. Thanks again, Tiffany.